Welcome to AutoReview Pro, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, expert insights, and the latest updates from the automotive world. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport 396, a modern revival of a classic American muscle car that brings back the raw power and elegance of the legendary SS lineup. The 2025 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport 396 is designed to blend classic muscle car aesthetics with modern styling. The exterior retains the bold, long-body profile that made the original Impala SS a legend while incorporating modern aerodynamic elements. The front grille is wide and aggressive, featuring LED headlights with a signature daytime running light design. A sculpted hood with functional air vents enhances cooling, and the sleek body lines flow into a muscular rear end with LED taillights and a subtle rear spoiler. Chrome accents and retro-inspired SS badging pay homage to its heritage, while large, multi-spoke alloy wheels complete the performance-oriented stance. Under the hood, the heart of the 2025 Impala SS 396 is a 6.5-liter V8 engine, delivering an impressive 450 horsepower and 475 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for those who love a pure driving experience, or a 10-speed automatic for smooth and efficient power delivery. The rear-wheel drive setup ensures classic muscle car handling, with an optional limited slip differential and adaptive suspension for enhanced control and performance. The exhaust system is tuned to produce a deep, throaty roar that reminds drivers of its muscle car roots. Inside the cabin is a blend of modern technology and classic muscle car design cues. Premium leather upholstery with SS stitching, aluminum trim accents, and a retro-inspired dashboard layout create a stylish and comfortable environment. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable performance data, while the infotainment system features a large touchscreen with Chevrolet's latest connectivity features, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium Bose sound system, heads-up display, and ambient lighting further enhance the luxury and sportness of the interior. Safety and technology are not overlooked, as the 2025 Impala SS 396 comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking provide added confidence on the road. The inclusion of multiple drive modes, including Sport and Track, allows drivers to tailor the driving experience to their preference. The 2025 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport 396 is a perfect combination of classic muscle car heritage and modern performance. With its powerful V8 engine, aggressive styling, and high-tech interior, it stands out as a true American icon reborn for a new generation. Pricing is expected to start around $55,000 USD for the base model, with higher trims and performance packages pushing the price closer to $70,000 USD. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest automotive trends, make sure to subscribe to AutoReview Pro. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth car reviews and expert insights. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport 396.